Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about controller Assmebly for Intermetro Part RPC5-9Contr. The controller assembly for Intermetro Part RPC5-9Contr is a complete assembly that includes the controller, power supply, and all necessary wiring. The controller is a microprocessor-based device that controls the operation of the Intermetro shelving system. It monitors and controls the speed of the motor, as well as providing safety features such as overcurrent protection and emergency stop. The power supply provides power to the controller and other components of the system. The wiring connects all components together, allowing them to communicate. Why? This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement controller for Intermetro shelving units. It is designed to replace a faulty or malfunctioning controller, and should fix any issues related to the controller, such as power problems, communication errors, or other malfunctions. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by disconnecting the power supply to the Intermetro part. 2. Remove any existing controller assembly from the Intermetro part. 3. Install the new controller assembly onto the Intermetro part, making sure that all connections are secure and tight. 4. Connect the power supply to the Intermetro part and turn it on. 5. Test the new controller assembly to ensure that it is functioning properly. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.